Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone guys high contrast text how to use. Friends you want to use guys your Google phone guys high contrast text. So friends today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends now let's see how to on and use Google phone high contrast text. Open your phone setting and guys we will search here guys high. As you can see high contrast text guys, we will tap here. So once you can see guys, this change text color to black or white, maximum contrast with the background. So once you want to use, once you can on and once you can use guys your this high contrast text guys, you can see this text will high contrast text, this text will change. So like that guys, you want to change guys your means guys you want to use guys this high contrast text in your Google phone device. So once you can on and once you can use and once you don't want to use, so once you can off from here, then guys your text will normal is default. And once you can see this bold text guys, you also can use guys this on and off guys, you can on and guys off from here. So like that guys, you want to use guys your Google phone guys phone high contrast text. So guys you can on and once you can use, you don't want to use, you can off from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and off high contrast text in Google phone device and how to use it. So bye guys, I hope friends you understood. And friends do you have any doubt guys related to guys your font size, your text size settings, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.